How do AI systems decide when to use outside sources and what are citations? An AI assistant can respond in two main ways. Sometimes it answers from what it already knows based on its training data. Other times it does a retrieval step, meaning it searches or pulls documents from an index, then writes an answer grounding to those documents. So let's have a look in real life how that would look like. So let's look for a query. How do I edit a PDF? And you can see it's doing the response. At the moment I'm using Pro, so it might actually also do retrieval. So at the moment it doesn't seem like it has done retrieval. The link here is within the model data itself, right? But if you do another example, like what is the weather in Zurich today? So here again we see a very time-sensitive prompt, and there it is. Now it's doing a search, and you can see the links here. So this goes to our second question, right? Which was what are citations? And citations are definitely these. So citations, especially on ChatGPT, you would see that them as little gray boxes, right? And one thing that we have noticed is these are within the model, and sometimes they're not real. So sometimes when you look at these, it can be fake, right? It can be hallucinated, especially if you go to one website and then you look at various steps. So keep that in mind when you're looking at this, that often when you open it into a new tab, it will generate a 404, and actually you might even see this as a 404 in your log files as well.